Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore some advanced concept in routing. Specifically, we'll be looking at the parallel routes. Now, imagine you're building an admin dashboard for a web application. This dashboard needs to display a user list, payments, and comments all at once. Traditionally, you may create components for each section and arrange them in the layout file. However, with parallel routes, we can achieve the same outcome with added benefits. Parallel routes are an advanced routing mechanism that allows multiple pages to be rendered simultaneously within the same layouts. To implement this, we use a feature called slots. Slot helps structure our content in a modular fashion. In our dashboard example, we would define three distinct slots. One for the user list, one for payments, and one for comments. Now, let's dive into the code. Instead of creating separate components for each section, we create a slot within the admin dashboard folder. For example, we have an users slot for the user list, and payments slot for payments, and comments slot for comments. Alright, let's move on the implementation. First, I will create folder name admin dashboard inside the folder. I will create a file named page.tsx as follows. Now I will proceed to the layout.tsx file and create a simple layout. For generating slot, I will create a folder for each slot using @ as a prefix. For example, I will create folder @users, @payments, and @comments. Now, within each folder, I will create a page.tsx file within a symbol components. Now I need pass these components as a simple props to the layout.tsx. So the modified layout.tsx with some styling for statics is as follows. To enhance the appearance of each slot, I will create a card component in the components folder with the some styling. Now replace the generic type tags in each slot within the card component. Now let's go to the localhost 3000 admin dashboard and see the enhanced statics. Now the real benefits of parallel routes become evident. Firstly, each slot can handle its routes independently, allowing for granular control over loading and error states. This is beneficial when different sections load at the various speeds or encounter unique errors. Secondly, parallel routes offer a seamless sub-navigation experience within each slot. Each section of the admin dashboard can function as a mini application with its own navigation and state management. For instance, users can interact within the comment section independently, toggling between default and archived view without affecting other sections. In summary, parallel routes enable the simultaneous rendering of different pages within the admin dashboard. They are defined using slots which organize contents in a modular fashion, making code more manageable. Parallel routes not only simplify code management, but also enhance the user experience within independent routes handling and sub-navigation. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll delve into an important concept related to sub-navigation within parallel routes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and happy coding!